hiring the right agent may be the most important decision you'll make when selling your home. Your agent is who you will rely on to help you price your home, market your home, and negotiate the sale. And all of these need to be done really well if you want to maximize your sale price. So today, I'll share some tips on how you can find a great real estate agent in Edmonton to help you get your home sold. I'm Dwight Streu, the Dwight Streu Real Estate Team, and I've been selling homes in Edmonton and area since 1987. Well, one of the keys to hiring a top realtor is to know what you should be looking for. Most people don't deal with realtors on a regular basis, and many have never dealt with an agent. So how can they even know what they should be looking for? Well, today I'll be sharing with you some great questions that you can ask potential realtors to sort out the contenders from the pretenders. Not all real estate agents are even close to being the same. I mean, having a real estate license doesn't make you a good realtor any more than having a driver's license makes you a good driver. In fact, in our area, there are over 3,000 agents, and most sell less than 10 homes a year. Many agents don't even work full-time, and many more home sellers will let a friend or a family member try to sell their home without really asking the right questions. In fact, many agents actually would prefer that you didn't ask these questions that I'm about to share with you. So here are 5 great questions to start with. And question number 1, why should I hire you over any other real estate agent? As I mentioned, there are over 3,000 agents you can choose from, so why choose this agent over all the others? What differentiates them? If they can't provide some really good reasons as to why you should hire them, why they're the best qualified for position of your realtor, keep looking. If they can't sell you on themselves, how can you expect them to sell buyers on your home? Question 2, do you have any buyers who would be interested in our home? If so, how many, and how do you plan to find more? Most agents do not have a specific answer for whether or not they have access to buyers, how they'll locate more buyers, or even who the ideal buyer for your home is. If they don't know who the ideal buyer for your home is, how can they possibly market to them? If they're starting from scratch to look for a buyer, you can expect it will take some time before buyers come out to look at your home, if at all. Now, a good real estate agent will have a large clientele or database of buyers who are looking for a home right now, so you'll get more people viewing your home and faster. Question 3, how do you come up with a price on our home? Many agents abdicate their pricing strategy to what the internet says it's worth or the city tax assessment, or they just take a look at the average in your area, but really, what's average? Worse yet, they often tell the sellers a price that's unrealistically high and then try to lower the price later on. Don't play that game. Pricing is not an exact science, but it's not a guessing game either. An agent should be able to clearly articulate to you how they arrived at their suggested asking price for your home. Not just pick a number that they think you'll like. Question 4, what is your marketing plan for our home? What most agents do is take some pictures and put the home on the multiple listing service and then hope another agent will bring them a willing buyer. Well, that's not enough, not even close. Only about half the homes listed on MLS actually sell. So if you want to improve those odds, you're going to need an aggressive action plan for marketing your home that includes online and offline marketing systems, as well as incentives for buyers to choose your home over other homes. Marketing is far more than just advertising. Question 5, if we're not happy with the job you're doing, can we cancel our listing? If an agent is confident in their ability, they should be willing to back up their service with more than just words. A cancellation guarantee is a great way to keep your agent accountable to you every day. If you hired any other professional and you weren't happy with the job they were doing, you would fire them, and so would I. So why should your agent be any different? Well, those 5 questions should give you a good start to finding a top real estate agent in Edmonton. But if you would like to arm yourself with more questions, you can order a free report of the top 10 questions you should ask before hiring an agent. Just click on the link below. Now, if you'd like to know our answers to these questions or any other questions you may have, you can call me at 780-462-5002 or email dwight@dwightstreu.com. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I post new videos regularly with some great advice on buying and selling a home.